Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the LETOUR K100 portable tent light. This isn't just your standard camping lantern. It's a 30-watt, high-power solution, delivering a massive 5,000 lumens. As you can see, the packaging is straightforward and compact. Opening the box, we find the lantern and a few included accessories. Let's go through what you get. With everything out of the box, the first thing we find is a standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable. It is not too long, about a foot. Pulling the light out of the protective dust bag, we also find a small instruction manual. It is just a short trifold, and opening it up, we find product specifications, package contents, and how to operate the light's various functions, using short and long presses. On the flip side, we find usage scenarios, how to use the magnetic mounts, a product diagram labeling all of the parts and features, and information on the charger. Moving on, we next find a small Ziploc bag, containing 4 adhesive metal discs. Since the light has 2 round magnets on the top, located on each side of the solar panel, these stick-on discs are designed to allow magnetic mounting, even on non-metal surfaces like wood or plastic, expanding where you can use this light significantly. The 4 discs will allow you to create 2 additional, non-metal mounting spots. Next up, we find the hanging hook. It is an S-spina, or dual-gated carabiner, meaning it is S-shaped, creating 2 separate sides that can open independently. Now let's take a look at the light itself. It is covered with protective plastic, on both the solar panel side and the light side, so we take those off to get a better look. This K100 model features a dense array of 127 LEDs. On the side, there is the power and function button, along with a set of charging ports, under a waterproof silicone cover, and a battery LED display. The top has the solar charging panel, the 2 magnetic mounts, and wrapped around the side, you will find a nice Swedish hanging strap. This is where you would attach the S-spina, using one side on the strap, and the other side, on any anchor point you wish to hang the light from. Weighing about 270 grams, the K100 is the smallest and lightest model. That being said, the build quality feels solid and durable. The last feature of the light is a third mounting option, a standard 1/4-inch threaded hole, allowing you to mount it on any universal tripod. And with that overview, let's go ahead and see all of the lighting functions. Everything is controlled by a single button. Giving it a short press, the light and battery display turn on. This is white light mode. Clicking again turns it to yellow light mode. Another click moves to warm white light mode. And then, the next click goes to SOS red and blue strobe mode. Another short click turns the light off. When off, if you long press the button, we found it has an undocumented, white light SOS mode. We did not actually find this mode documented in the instruction booklet. So, it was a nice feature to find. In this mode, another long press doesn't change anything. But a short press will turn the light off. With all of these different modes, the K100 is a versatile, portable light. In addition, in any of the standard lighting modes, you can long press to engage the stepless dimming capabilities, providing even more customizable lighting options. Stepless dimming transitions smoothly, up and down, anywhere between the lowest 10% brightness and the full 100%. Next up, we'll take a look at charging. To charge the light, you merely use the included cable, or any standard USB-C power cord, and plug it into a power source. The battery display shows the current battery level, and a blinking green lighting symbol indicates that the unit is charging. The 5,200 mAh battery is advertised to last between 7 to 12 hours. The solar panel serves as a secondary charging method. It is excellent for top-offs when in areas without a power source. But since it is slow, it is more for emergency recharging. Finally, using the USB-A port, the light also acts as a power bank. You merely use the included cable to connect any USB-C device to the USB-A port on the light, and it will start charging your device. The ability for the K100 to double as a power bank and charge via solar makes it an essential part of any emergency survival kit. Now, let's take it into some real-world conditions. Out in our storage shed, we can magnetically stick the light on a metal shelf and turn it on. Immediately, what was once a dim setting, making it hard to find items, is illuminated. In addition to areas that just don't have lighting, the K100 is perfect for power failures, and the SOS modes provide emergency signaling capabilities. In addition, the IPX4 waterproof rating means you don't have to worry about light rain or splashes. And here it is, hanging from a hook. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable light that handles camping, power failures, and everything in between, the K100 is a solid investment. It provides peace of mind that you'll have light and power when the grid goes down. We did get this unit for free in exchange for our honest review. We hope this review helped you decide if this light fits your specific needs.